ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag, coming to you with another video review. And today we are going to get into another Bath and Body Works candle haul, part 2. So if you're interested in knowing my thoughts, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you are new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. You know, your sis goes left. You know, if you're not new to this channel, you know. But just keep sticking with me. But hey, we are all family around here, and if you are new, we would love for you to be a part of this family. Hey, we are our brothers, sisters, cousins, aunties, second cousins, grandma, grandparents. You get it. We are all family around here. We would love for you to subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. We would love to hear your thoughts. I would love to meet you. Please comment down below. And hey, family, we are going to get into the candles that I told you were being shipped and were on the way. They are here. So let's get into it. So I've got 5 candles. So it's not going to be a long video, but I have, well, if I go left, it might be a little bit longer, but but I have 5 candles. I just want you all to kind of get my first impressions, my thoughts. I have not burned them. I'm smelling them on code for the first time, but let's get into it. Okay, first off, we have Autumn Chai. You all see that? So, okay, I love a good chai latte, right? But I have to be in a mood for a chai latte. I can't do chai latte in the summer or the spring. Don't give me no chai, nothing in the summer and spring. But I love a good chai latte in the fall, winter. So we are here. Hello, we made it. We made it to my favorite season, fall. So I am excited to burn this. Let me smell it. Definitely gives you that chai smell, very autumn. I actually love the packaging. I love the little fox. I think this is really cute. I think that this will go with, like, if say your room is gray, or say you have like a beige or a base color or something like that, neutral color. That's what I'm trying to say. If you have a neutral color room, I think that this would be very good. Like, it fits the vibes to me. Okay, now if you don't think it fits the vibes, well then sis, it's your room. Who am I to tell you what your room should look like? Okay, anyway. But I feel like because it's blue and it has these gold kind of decorations, I think it just would bring a neutral tone, a gray tone room together. Anyway, ooh, it smells good, guys. So we have cinnamon chai, French vanilla, smooth caramel, and natural essential oils. This is a good one. I am excited to burn this one for the fall season. So, moving on. Another candle I was very excited about. I'm just going to show you. Hopefully you all can see. Hometown Sugar Cookie. Now you know why your sis was excited. Hello. Welcome. And if you don't know, your sis like a little cookie cake crumble, apple pie, sweet potato pie. Now, I don't know about pumpkin pie. It depends on who makes the pumpkin pie, okay? You got to catch me on a good, but a sweet potato pie? Let's go. Pumpkin pie, I don't know. Depends on the day. Anyway, this smells really good. This smells very light. So I don't know if this is going to fill my room because very light, smells very light on cold, but I do smell the cookie. And this, ooh, this gives me like a butter cookie. This gives me like a butter wafer kind of cookie. Oh, like a sugar cookie. Well, it is sugar cookies. Like I discovered something. Okay. Moving moving on. So the notes are warm sugar cookie, ground cinnamon, fresh nutmeg, sprinkled with sugar. Honey, this is a sugar cookie. This is what this is, okay? And it's, again, light, so I'm hoping that when I burn it, it's going to at least fill the room that I'm in, okay? You all know that I love to burn a candle while I'm working, right? So that's where I use a lot of my candles. Anyway, I'm excited to smell that. I hope it fills my office. Okay. All right. Next up, we have apple macchiato. Okay. So it looks like this. And ooh, this does give me fall. It gives me actually, it gives me, is there a green apple scent in this? Let me see. Okay. So the notes are Washington spice apple, hint of cinnamon, caramel drizzle, froth milk. Ooh. Ooh, this is good. Wow, this actually is surprising. This doesn't give me like a normal, like a country apple scent. This gives me very much like, oh my goodness, like an apple orchard, but it leans to me more like of a green apple. Oh, this is good. Oh, I like this, family. I really do. So this is, yeah, I'm gonna, I didn't think I was gonna like this actually. That's why I'm so like, I didn't think I was gonna like it. But this is actually good. Okay. And it says Washington's finest. So, okay. Love that. I have family in Washington, D.C., so hey, love Washington. Washington is actually beautiful. If any of you all are like live in Washington, D.C., beautiful. Beautiful city, beautiful city to visit. Tons of things like museums to do. Okay, we talk about candles. See, you know, just work with me. Next up, we have 5-star Texas pecan pie. Now, I'm not gonna lie. Yo, sis was a little bit nervous about this one, okay? Very much. Let's see. Oh, wow. That does smell like a pie. Okay. So we have Texas toasted pecans, brown sugar, buttery apple pie crust. Okay. Definitely buttery, I smell. Pecans, I mean, it's like a nut, so yeah. You can get that nut vibe of smell. Okay. This might be good. Okay. I don't mind this. Like, I don't mind. And I know everybody is different, right? Some people, it's like, sis, I'm not putting no food scent in my house. That's actually not what I'm doing. But, yo, sis, I really do like very foodie, pancakey, cookie, cake. I love those type of scents. So smelling in my house, oh my gosh. Like, have you ever smelled, like, say you bake cookies. Do y'all bake cookies? Okay. At least Pillsbury, you know, just put them on the tray and, okay. Anyway, if you like do a cookie or a cake or a pie or, you know, just a dessert in the oven, that aroma, that smell that just fills up your house, oh my gosh, I love it. Waffle smell, my mom makes waffles sometimes. She loves her waffle maker. So she makes waffles and the smell from it just smells so good. And it lasts in your house, so it just smells like, oh, I did it up in the kitchen. Those that don't cook. Okay, I'm not going to say I don't cook. I just don't cook all the time. Yo, sis is not in the kitchen all the time. So you would probably never, ever, ever, ever see me like, look at me, and here's my kitchen. No, ma'am, no, Pam. Like, that is like sweat and... But somebody gonna love me, you know, even though I can cook.
But look at it. Rubber. It's raw, Melissa.
Yes, chef.
Yeah, look, I can't cook. But I prefer he be the cooker, you know. If, you know, we go down that line, how did I go? Okay, let's get back on track. Okay, let's get the the last candle. Help your sis. Anyway, be too much. So we have Maine's Best Blueberry Cotton Candy. Honey, this is a line. This is a line of of candles from me. Cotton candy. What does it smell like? Let me see. Ooh, it does give me like that cotton candy carnival. Oh my goodness. But I don't know if I would like this in like fall, winter. Definitely not probably winter. Maybe end of winter going into spring again is when I would bring this back up. Because this gives me like festival, carnival, cotton candy, slushies, slurpees, whatever you call them, ices, that gives me this vibe. I do love it, but I don't know if I will burn it these seasons. Fall, winter, probably not so much. I might just save it. Okay. Well, that is all, family. That is all for part 2 of my candle haul. Hey, what are you picking up from Bath and Body Works? I would love to know. Do you have any candles that you would suggest for your sis? Okay. I will put it to cart. Add to cart. Add to the cart. But let me know. Let's chat it up. I would love to know your suggestions and saying, hey, sis, look out for this for the fall. Hey, get this for the fall. This will make your house smell good. Sis, I know you into the cookie kitty crumble cake of the cake. So get this candle. Like, hook your sis up. My house smells good now. Smell like somebody pumpkin pie. But eating pumpkin pie, it depends. Like who's making the pumpkin pie? Okay. But if you have some suggestions, let me know. Okay. Thank you all. Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you. Would love to meet you. And hey, be good to yourself. Give yourself grace. And if no one has told you that you're more than enough, yo sis just did. All right. Bye, family. Love you. Bye.